Right. So this one was the right idea, but we kind of chickened out of it a little bit. So we were expecting a bounce, and we got it. But we didn't want to hold it. We moved our stop up quick, and yeah, just stopped us out. But we could have held it all the way, to be fair. Right. So this is our second day anyway of trading a new account, 25k account. So we kept up with the idea that we were only going to trade smaller contract sizes, obviously because bigger contracts are just too gonna blow the account too quickly. God speak, Chris. Right, so this one was a nice one. We were just expecting some more continuation to the downside. The Nasdaq's ripped down at open, so we've had this little bit of a pullback into the opening range, and now we're starting to drop again. Again, moved our stop. And yeah, this was a nice one. I think we'd just actually taken a losing trade before this, so that was again. This one just was what it was. Stops had to go somewhere, and unfortunately, it just got triggered. So we're looking for that V-shaped recovery, which seems to be working out. We're back into the opening range again after another sell-off, but yeah, it just it bought the top, unfortunately. And yeah, it just starts to pull back on us, and yeah, stops that. Right, so this one was a nice trade. Again, we're looking for the idea that we've put in a lower high, which we had. As you can see, we've not got stop loss on there at the moment. So the plan was we were just gonna manually stop ourselves out when, you know, we realised that the trade just wasn't gonna work out. But it does work; it's fine. I have to admit, I think if we'd have kept with the idea of keeping a 15-point stop loss on there, we would have been stopped out of this trade. As you can see, just putting a stop loss on up there. And then, yeah. Yeah, it's fine though. It worked out really nicely, this trade. I didn't really want to be stopped out all the way up there because that would have been quite a big loss that I probably couldn't have recovered back from. Certainly not today. But the candles were quite large candles. They're like 20, 30-point candles. So I didn't really want to be stopped out too massive, but we did have to give a bit of room. Market's starting to chop here in this one. Unfortunately, I don't really know why I decided to buy there. What? Well, anyway, it is what it is. They did get stopped out of this. I took a few trades today that I didn't record that worked out quite nicely. I think I recorded all my losing trades, to be fair, so apart from one. But yeah, bit silly to be buying there. To be fair, I think because we've broken above the EMAs, I was interested, but nah, it's pointless.